Yebo nganeza ukuthi impela ke siphumile esandleni yongaboni ngasolinye phakathi kwaFile Mbalula noBrown Mokgotsi njengoba kuFile Mbalula ke useyalela abameli bakhe ukuthi bathumele incwadi ke uBrown Mokgotsi ke ezombizela ke enkantolo engazo ke izinsolo ke ezinzima ke ezenziwa kuBrown Mokgotsi ngayo ke uFile Mbalula kanti ke uthi ke impela ufuna ukuthi ke lokho kakusho phambi kwenkantolo lapha ke bezobe ebhekene phana ke isiqweni ke zamehlo bafethu ke ngaphandle basikhuluma kakhulu ke ngicela manqale nginibingelele kuyona ke imboso sithi MTV sithi njengoba siqala ngene channel ake wenza kulungile uciphizo subscribe nawo notification bell cause sithola zonke izindaba ke shishayo nazo ke zitrendayo. Hayi ke wenganiza ukuthi impela yanto ngaboni ngasulinye phakathi kwaFile Mbalula ke noBrown Mokgotsi njengoba kuFile Mbalula ke ethi cha impela kusithumela ke abameli bakhe ukuthi ke babhalele incwadi ke lensizwa kaBrown Mokgotsi ke ezombizela ke enkantolo ukuthi ke bakibe ubhekene ke iziqweni ke zamehlo ke achaze kahle ke ezonke ke lezi insolo ke azinze ngayo ke iFile Mbalula kanti ke wenganiza ukuthi impela ngaboni ngasolinye ke phakathi kwawo ke lamadoda kuqale lapho na ke uFile Mbalula ke waveza ukuthi ke uBrown Mokgotsi ke akekhuphana ke kwi-database ke membership baphakwa iANC kanti ke wenganiza ukuthi impela kuBrown Mokgotsi wathi cha yabona ke lokushiwo yena ku-Secretary General kuyena kuFile Mbalula ke kwamanga bodwa ngoba yena ke impela ke uyilona ke lungu ke le ANC kanti ke wenganiza ukuthi impela ke uBrown Mokgotsi ke wabe seveza ukuthi ke waboleka imali ke efile lapha na kwi1 million rand kuWandile Bhozwana nokuyimali ke azange bayisayibuyisela emuva uFile Mbalula kanti ke wenganiza ukuthi qhubeka phana ke uBrown Mokgotsi ke waveza ukuthi ke ezinsukwini ezintathu kuzodutshulwa phana kuWandile Bhozwana uFile Mbalula ke wadibana ke noVoskek uyena ke olahla icala phela lokudubulwa kubulawe yena ke uWandile Bhozwana.
Vusi has been convicted and sentenced for the killing of Wandile Bhozwana. It was also shown that he was with Vusi 2-3 days before Wandile Bhozwana was murdered. I know Bhozwana's family. You know, with our interaction, they showed me some proof that actually Bhozwana gave Fikile Mbalula 1 million rand and he promised to pay it back. Today the money is not paid. I'm saying in as much as he was with Vusi.
Ake wenganiza wethi impela ke manje kuFile Mbalula uthi cha yabona ke njengoba kuBrown Mokgotsi engashongo nokuthi uyamsola kodwa ke uve wayithatha lento wayibeka njani nento ke eyenzeka futhi ke nento ke anofakazi lwayo cha impela ke manje na ke usezothumela ke abameli bakhe uthi cha abake badibane phana ke enkantolo ke ayochaza kahle ke lokho akushile kwengaye.
There's nothing I can say to you about the things he have said which are false. So my lawyers are busy with him in terms of defamatory action. He will have to prove in court. I don't have any other recourse. How do you deal with a thug which deviate from the real issue? The real issue is about his membership, which he does not have, of the ANC that he has actually expired. So he decided to draw me into thuggery. I'm not going to do that. I will deal with him through the courts, which is permissible in our country. He must then come to court and prove all those things he has talked about in a court of law, where a competent court of law will listen to both my side and his side.
Ake wenganiza wethi impela ke thina ke simboso sithi MTV sithi bafethu zinjalo ebesiniphathele zona ngaso lesikhathi sithi nje ake sehle ngobonda idibane yona ivideo elandelayo.